You can leave. You can swear. You can marry the nice man and buy the nice house and learn how to sleep with the lights on. But I already know the ending. I don't chase, I don't beg, I don't even look up when the door closes. I just wait, because I put something in them that no church, no baby, no new last name has ever been able to dig out. I leave a little velvet under the skin, a little unfinished sentence, a little what if that wakes them up at 3:17 in the morning, staring at a ceiling that suddenly feels too clean. They always come back. They always come back. They can hate me, they can pray, they can run. They always come back. Velvet. Hush, I'm talking. I've had women leave me notes written in their husband's handwriting, just so it would look innocent on the fridge. I've had women send their own sisters to check on me, knowing damn well what would happen. I've had a woman divorce a millionaire and show up the same night, wearing the dress I bought her 3 years earlier, like it was still under warranty. I don't keep trophies, I keep return addresses, I keep the sound they make. But when they finally stop pretending they ever had a choice, they always come back. They always come back. You can change the locks, change the city, change your name. They always come back. Somebody once asked me what I actually sell. I said I sell the moment they realize the rest of their life is gonna feel like a waiting room. And then I smiled the way a man smiles when he already knows what time she's gonna knock. When I call after midnight, using the old code, I ain't the devil negotiates. I just wait until the warning gets louder than the wedding ring. They always come back. They always come back. They always come back. Louder. They always come back. You can bury me in a nice suit and a nice lie. They always come back. I don't need to run, I don't need to fight, I just need to stay soft and stay dangerous and stay exactly where I am. So go ahead, baby. Go be good. Go be safe. Go be somebody's wife. I'll be right here when the good starts to itch. Ooh, they always come back.